Tiwi Albay, Philippines is a charming and picturesque town known for its stunning natural beauty and warm hospitality. Visitors can expect to be greeted and friendly locals. Lush greenery and breathtaking views of Mayon volcano. The town is also home to beautiful beaches, hot spring and waterfalls, offering plenty of opportunities for outdoors adventures and relaxation.
Ako po si Miss Rosalyn Miruro, taga Barangay Baybay, Tiwi Albay. Ako sa presidente kang mga bangka dito sa barangay.
Ako po si Elizalde Bubulyo sa Presidente Ngunyan. Ako po ang inform si Chairman. Then bantay dagat mo po ako. Sa muyang pagpoprotektaran na lugar, yung mga mangrove po, sanctuary. Ang mangrove, ang protekta yan, inot na inot. Mga mangrove, karoon po yan sa nakatabang sa pagbangga man ng mga talong at tubig na makontrol para tayo makapos kumanta ang mangrove, yung ibong mga paroy, mga uma. So pag siya nakakasangga, saka bukod sa nakakatabang siya, ang katsayang mga dahon, pag nalalapa, pigakan man po ito.
The DCC RUTC unit visited Corango Show, a well-known tourist attraction in Bulacan. In the past, it served as a resting spot from freshmen from Baybay and Malinao. While in the area, and as part of the RUTC recognized community expansion effort, we carried out a simple cleanup drive at Corango to help preserve its natural beauty. As part of the Coron Festival in Tiwi Albay, the aquathlon race at the beach not only showcased the strength and endurance of its participants, but also highlights the community's unity, love for sports, and appreciation of Tiwi's coastal beauty. The maritime procession, believed to have started in the early 1960s, occurs annually in the 3rd week of August to honor our Lady of Salvation, originating from Paris Peace suggestion to adopt the Piña Francia Fluvial procession to a maritime setting. The event began with a routine from Roan to Sugod and back. Later expansion included Naga, Pusan, Bulu, and Baybay, where attendees prayed for blessing and healing as the image of Ina passed by.
Once again, Dragon Bigger Mona assign Coast Guard World Unity Week. Ang benefits ng Coast Guard sa mga malaking tulong to sa mga lalo sa mga coastal area ganito, para kung may kaso ng mga emergency, madali kami mag-response.
With their different roles, the president of the both organizations, the chairman, the Sea Guard, and the Coastal Guard, they work hand in hand in serving the municipality of Tiwi, ensuring a safe environment and fostering unity among the people, embodying the spirit of united continuity for a secure ocean.